Welcome where curiosity becomes dangerous. Let's imagine one of the most spectacular thought experiments of all. What if the sun exploded as a supernova? It starts with a flash. Brighter than billions of lightning bolts, it blinds the solar system. Night and day lose all meaning. Earth is flooded in light so intense it burns shadows into stone. For a brief moment, we would shine brighter than the galaxy itself. The atmosphere doesn't survive. The explosion strips it away like tissue paper. Air rushes into space, vanishing forever. Without warning, oceans boil into steam, evaporating into the vacuum. Cities collapse under shock waves hotter than lava. Steel liquefies. Stone vaporizes. Every living thing is erased before it can scream. The inner planets go first. Mercury and Venus disappear instantly. Earth is pulverized, reduced to a glowing cloud of plasma. Mars shatters into fragments. Further out, Jupiter and Saturn are scorched, their atmospheres blasted away. Even distant Neptune glows under the storm. And still, the blast expands. A bubble of destruction hundreds of light years wide, sweeping aside gas clouds, vaporizing asteroids, ripping apart everything in its path. To distant alien astronomers, it looks like a jewel, a star that lived too brightly and died too violently. To us, it's the end. But here's the twist. Supernovas are not just endings. They are beginnings. The calcium in our bones, the iron in our blood, the gold in our jewelry, every atom heavier than hydrogen was forged in explosions just like this. Without ancient stars dying, we would never have existed. So in destroying us, the sun would also create. The dust of Earth would scatter into space, eventually clumping into new planets, new oceans, maybe even new life. In a way, we are born from fire, and we return to it. Imagine an alien civilization millions of years from now. They build telescopes, look up, and discover worlds formed from the ashes of our sun. They might even ask the same forbidden questions we ask now, never knowing that their existence came from our extinction. Of course, this is just a thought experiment. The sun is not massive enough to explode as a supernova. It will die quietly as a red giant instead. But imagining it shows us something important. Life and death in the universe are the same process. Creation and destruction are just two sides of the same star. And here's the irony we can't escape. We spend our days worrying about bills, traffic, deadlines, tiny problems under the shadow of a star that could erase us in an instant. Yet without that same star, there would be no traffic, no deadlines, no us. The sun is both our cradle and our executioner. So the next time you curse the sunlight for being too hot or too bright, remember, it's the only reason you exist. And if you don't want to vanish in a cosmic fireworks show, hit like and subscribe to the channel. It won't save you from the blast, but it will keep your curiosity alive until the very end.